Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Wednesday Addams themed cake. So let's get started. I decided to make a piped cake this time. I frosted a 6-inch cake dummy with black vegan American buttercream. Okay, it's more like gray, but that's as black as I could get it this time. Sometimes the color can be finicky. Then, with a small round tip, I piped a spiderweb pattern on the top. This is supposed to mimic the design of a large window in Wednesday and Enid's room. Then, with a medium open star tip, I piped a rope border along the edge of the cake, and a shell border along the bottom. Then I piped some swags along the side with the star tip. But I felt like it was just missing something, so using a fondant press mold, I made a couple black skulls out of black fondant, and I placed one on each swag and in the middle of the cake. I love how spooky this cake looks, and with the black on black. It's one of those that would look the same if photographed in black and white or in color. It's solidly Wednesday Addams style. It's the kind of cake I would make for her if I were to make her birthday cake. It releases my inner goth. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.